All right, guys, we're here today with the Takis Fuego Cheetos Crunchy Flamin'
Hot Cheetos and Takis. Hot Cheetos and Takis.
grip tape. So what do we do here? We just
Eat some Takis? Who's gonna eat one off the board?
Nose goes. Carlos.
Carlos doesn't even care.
Stale.
So what are we gonna do with this?
Get
Full
it.
puck game escape?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, can I use those shoes over there?
It's only on a no! It's only on a Walmart board.
Really?
Let's go.
Is it spicy? The
Yeah.
board? Yeah. Supposed to be extreme spicy. Eat it.
What you know about this? Spicy. These guys are playing video games.
It's like middle school all over again.
It's spicy, huh?
Yeah, it is spicy.
Dang, that's hot.
Isn't that hot?
That's hot. Look at that. Look at this thing, man.
So there's just Takis and hot Cheetos, and it is on a Walmart board. See, it's kind of funny. We set this up during the week. We sent directions. We're like, get a Walmart board for one video, and then make Cheetos and hot Takis grip tape for a different video. And then what did we get? Cheetos and hot Takis Walmart board. It looks pretty sick though, right?
Every
Okay.
middle schooler right now is mad at us.
You know, first try. You only get one try at this. It's like hot Takis and Cheetos. It's like one try only. You ready? This is what I'm scared of. The first step.
Yes.
Wait a sec.
Nothing?
It's not even crunching. That's a very bad sign. Oh.
I cannot believe it's not crunching.
How sick are my shoes? First try. Oh. Yeah. Yeah! Disgusting.
Everything just
That
popped.
was hot.
Look at that kickflip.
Got the
Camera just looks like red grip tape.
Yummy.
I was gonna say crunchy, but no.
Tray flip?
Should we do a stale fish?
Yeah.
Take it off the Braille drop. Dude, how did you do that?
Sometimes when you know you only have one try, it's beyond pure will to land it.
Tray flip off?
Lance?
Just gonna do it standing stuff.
Oh no.
Dude, a hot Cheeto went on my
Takis
back.
all over your back. It's like pure grease on the ground. First try.
You didn't see that, but a piece of just hit me in the, yeah. Some hot stuff, baby, tonight. Oh! I feel like these guys are in the line of fire.
Straight up hit Troy in the face.
Oh, so slippery.
It's like the seasoning has created an extremely slippery foundation. Ew.
Are you hot or not?
It was the one time he should be singing that Alicia Keys song.
This girl is on fire. Girl is on. Carlos has done like 385 tricks, and I've landed a kickflip. No, I'm gonna land the tray flip. I fully landed it, and then the sheer ice of Takis and Cheetos went out from underneath me. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Do your hands burn?
I gotta land this. You gotta land it bolts too. Come on, Cheetos.
Oh.
Okay, one more. I got this.
Chester?
That is disgusting. That is disgusting.
Wow. Hot Cheeto and Takis tray flip revert challenge.
Yeah.
Party size.
Is it
I landed primo the other day on both feet down the 5, and it's tender. Oh my god.
Ready for my still trick challenge?
It's his birthday. I need him to make a wish.
Breathed it in.
What is it?
This Taki is literally on fire.
No.
It's your birthday wish, man. Blow it up.
Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, they cool down.
Oh no!
Actually, not bad.
Did that not burn?
No, dang it. It tastes like, okay, you know when you like have like a little burnt piece of tortilla?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Let's open up the Cheetos and Takis and try them at the same time. You might as well do the challenge while we got them.
What's the challenge?
I don't know, you eat them.
At the same time?
Yeah.
That's not the challenge.
What's the challenge? Yeah, I think it's eating them. Well, that's what we're gonna do for this video. I'm a madman.
Definitely the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
No.
Let me do a trick. With Aaron's phone in my hand.
My old shoes.
Judge me.
So disgusting.
Now, Luke, you eat one off the ground.
Eat it, Luke.
Peer pressure. Hey, Kelly, I'll eat a Taki and you eat a Cheeto. Here, you eat this. You picked the worst one, didn't you?
No, that one's fine.
No, you eat first, and I'll think about it. No, I'm not doing it.
No.
You made a
Fuck,
deal.
dude, that's not cool, Kelly. You made the deal.
Eat it.
The entire thing?
Eat the whole thing.
So disgusting.
Just blow on it. It's fine. 3-second rule.
3-second rule. It's been on the ground, smashed into under feet. Go ahead.
You just eat it.
I'm gonna show you what's so gross about that. You ready? Watch this. Just any random spot.
How was that?
I bit into it, but it didn't let me chew. Like seriously, like I bit it and it tastes like cardboard, like firm cardboard. You could not eat that.
Luke ate the Taki full bore.
It's all the same. It's all the same.
Wow. You ready?
Let's see.
All right, Takis.
See, that sucks. Yeah, finally broke something. God.
Tail. There we go.
Oh, come on.
I just swept that up.
Bro, I wish I ate the Taki, like seriously.
Don't you wish you ate the Cheeto, not the Taki?
No, no way. Oh, yeah.
Dude, don't you wish you ate the
I
Cheeto?
wish. The dirt looks so good on it.
The Taki was gross compared to the Cheeto.
Was that just a normal Taki? No. I would like this.
Nuh-uh. Did you really? You did? No, you took it up off the ground.
We should have done it somewhere else, not in the middle of the most important part of the.
Why? More Takis to go around.
It's like an ice skating rink of Taki. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching this. We hope you enjoyed this video. What other videos would you like us to make? I hope that each and every one of you is learning how to skateboard. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.